Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the best products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration with the Brita Insulated filtered water bottle. Now, let me start by saying this: if you're looking for the best plastic bottle for drinking water, you're in the right place. This Brita water bottle is not your average drinkware, and we're going to explore why. First, let's talk about the key features that make this bottle stand out. It's made from BPA-free plastic, which means you can sip without worrying about harmful chemicals. It's also insulated, so your drink stays at the right temperature for longer. Now, durability is crucial for a water bottle you'll be using every day. The Brita bottle is built to last. It's been dropped a few times on concrete during our tests, and it still looks brand new, no scratches or dents. But here's where the magic happens: the built-in Brita filter. It's designed to make tap water taste great. If you've got tap water that tastes less than stellar, this filter is your solution. The filter can last for about 2 months or 40 gallons of water. So, you're not only saving money but also reducing plastic waste by saying goodbye to single-use bottles. Assembling the bottle is a breeze. Just rinse the filter, place it in, and lock it in place. No soaking required. Then, you're ready to enjoy great tasting water wherever you go. The Brita bottle is designed with convenience in mind. It has a leak-proof lid, which means no surprise drips or spills in your bag. Plus, the easy sip straw makes it effortless to stay hydrated on the go. This particular model we have here is the 26-ounce size. It's compact enough to fit in most pockets, car cup holders, and even kids' backpacks. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: the taste. We tested this bottle with less than ideal tap water, and it made a significant difference. The water tasted clean and refreshing. Cleaning this bottle is a breeze too. It's top-rack dishwasher safe, so you can toss it in with your regular dishes for easy maintenance. And when it's time to replace the filter, you can easily find Brita replacement filters on Amazon. They come in multi-packs, so you can stock up and save. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about style. The Brita water bottle comes in various colors to suit your preference. We've got the night sky version here, which looks sleek and modern. In conclusion, the Brita Insulated filtered water bottle with straw is a game changer when it comes to staying hydrated. It's convenient, eco-friendly, and it makes tap water taste fantastic. So, if you want the best plastic bottle for drinking water that's both functional and stylish, don't hesitate to get yourself one of these Brita bottles. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, stay hydrated.